Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Sellfy account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, let's see what we have here. So you can see that you have on the screen, you have the use cases, we have digital downloads, print on demand, and subscriptions. We have features, marketing, well we have email marketing, upselling, affiliate marketing, discounts, and cart automation. And we have pricing. You can start your free trial by clicking on the button here in the middle of the screen or in the top right corner where you also have the start free trial button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a Sellfy account. So you can do it by clicking on the login button here, where if you don't have an account, you have it here, don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up, where you can create your account here, start your 14-day free trial, which you can do here, as you can see, by clicking on these buttons also. So here you need to put your name. So I'm going to put the things that I'm typing in here, guys, information is not real. It's for the sake of this video. So put your information here, guys, as I'm doing now. Then just click next when you put your information. Here you have to go to your email, guys, of course, and verify your email address, which I will be doing on my other screen. So you go to your email. Then you just need to go and click. You will have it really easily. You'll get an email immediately where you just need to go and click on verify email and you will be good to go. So as you can see on the second screen, I got information like this. So great, let's go. You need to put all the things from your account. So just click next and put anything that you want, physical products or whatever. Put all of your information, add socials if you want, and click done. And your account will then be created, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.